Let me show you how I make my cabbage. Ooh. I got an organic cabbage, but you could use a regular cabbage. So let's go ahead and clean it up real quick. Cut off the root. It's very thick. I don't want the outside parts of the cabbage because I feel like it's already been touched. I know, weird of me, but yeah. Cut it in half. You can get rid of the little root. This is a little root. Cut the cabbage in half again, and then slice it about an inch wide. I'm gonna throw it in a bowl, and again about an inch wide. There's so many different ways to make cabbage, but this is one of my ways that I like to make my cabbage when I have catfish. So I'm gonna salt it and wash it. I got the cabbage sitting in salt and water, and let's move it to the side. A handful of garlic. I'm gonna cut the tips of the garlic off. Mince your garlic up real fine. I'm gonna set that to the side. I am gonna use pork bacon in this recipe. About 4 to 5 strips of bacon. I'm gonna go with a thick cut. Check for the catfish recipe. I want to saute and crisp up my bacon. Get all that smoke. I want my bacon super crispy. This is how you want your bacon, okay? You want it crisp like this. And then when you do throw in the garlic, you're going to saute that together, and then the bacon's going to get a little bit more crispy. Bring all the aromatics out. Smells so good. So now you can throw in your cabbage. It's going to cook down for sure. Onion powder. 3 chicken bouillon cubes. Just a tiny bit of crushed red pepper flakes. Just a little bit of water because the cabbage is going to have, like, the water from the cabbage is going to come out itself. Let's go ahead and cover it and cook for about 20 minutes. Okay, since it broke down a little bit, we can go ahead and mix it now. Mix up your cabbage. Make sure that the chicken cubes do dissolve. Ooh, look at that. That looks delicious already. I love cabbage. Cooked cabbage, raw shredded cabbage. I love cabbage. Look at this. Ooh. Okay, I got some rice. Look at the cabbage. Ooh, look at this. Cabbage with the jasmine rice and the fried catfish.